slime o'clock. I'm gonna test no glue slime recipes to see if it's real or clickbait. Let's go. First recipe's super easy, just cornstarch and shampoo. That's it, nothing fancy, all stuff you've got at home. Tip for you guys, grab a big bowl, add 2 cups of cornstarch, but be careful, because OMG, this stuff flies everywhere. I literally look like I just sneezed in a flour bag. Then you're just gonna pour in some shampoo. I picked this yellow one. Trust me, if you stir too fast, it's gonna explode. I've done it before, and yeah, not fun. At first, the mix is gonna look super dry, and your brain's gonna be like, oh, I should add way more shampoo right now, but don't do it. Keep mixing patiently. Guys, it actually turned into slime. And not just any slime, it feels soft, fluffy, almost like it grew bigger. I was not expecting this at all. But the color right now is kind of boring, so let's fix that. I'm gonna glow it up with some purple food coloring, because purple just makes everything look way cooler. The texture is insane. It feels buttery smooth, like soft dough, and when you stretch it, it doesn't rip at all. Then I went ahead and threw in some purple clay. Look at this swirl right now. The colors are blending together, and it honestly looks so much cooler. Every time I stretch it out, the marbling gets prettier and prettier. Plus, the clay makes the slime stand its form way better and hold shape while you play. Okay, base slime is done. Now let's decorate this. So for the left, turn into butter slime instead of cloud slime. And I added snow here is because it makes the slime all fluffy and airy, almost like hair strands. Plus, when you put the yellow with the purple, it instantly gave me Rapunzel vibes. So that's what I'm calling for this slime. Guys, I'm not even kidding. This is straight up heaven. The slime feels so soft and light in my hands, but then when you press into it, it's got this feeling like that sound when you step on snow. And the crazy part is, even though it's light and fluffy, it's still after that, I popped in 2 really cute little charms to give the slime extra personality. Like, they instantly make the whole thing look way more fun and playful. Then I sprinkled tiny Fimo pieces, just like candy toppings. I finished with star glitter on top so it sparkles in the light. Wow, look at this. It's literally shining like Rapunzel herself. Pressing it feels super soft, almost like a marshmallow. Easy to make, fun to play with. This time I won't measure, but go freestyle. Let's see what happens. I just poured some dish soap in, and it was the mint-scented kind. It's no clumpy, but I put my hope in it. But if you keep mixing for a bit, you'll see it start sticking together. Okay, so the texture right now is weird, like it's super runny, almost watery, but at the same time, it isn't sticky at all. Maybe I messed up a step somewhere in the recipe. But anyway, let's not stress about it too much and move on to the final recipe. Alright guys, last recipe of the day, cornstarch and yogurt. I know it sounds kind of random, but trust me, it might actually work. I'm adding in 2 whole cups of yogurt. Yup, the regular snack-sized tubs. It looks kind of funny pouring it over the cornstarch. After you press it, it spreads out so smoothly and it feels way creamier than I expected. I decided to add a little thickener just to see if it would firm up, and it actually worked. The texture is now way more manageable and not runny at all. Letting it rest again. Wow, it's thick and stretchy like butter slime, but smoother, and it smells like actual yogurt. Fun to play with, but guys, don't eat it, please. Look at me pulling this slime right now. Doesn't it look super smooth and amazing? Now I'm adding in some pre-soaked fake snow, and honestly, this stuff is a total game changer. The way it transforms the slime is bouncy but still soft, kind of like squishing a pillow. It smells creamy like yogurt, so I thought, why not make it a cereal slime with crunchy toppings? I've got this little box of cereal charms. Let's open it and decorate the slime. The details are insane. It looks just like a real cereal box. I grabbed some cereal and dumped it on top. It already looks so fun. It's like kneading dough with cereal chunks and stretching it. The cereal bits peek out like toppings, and it's honestly fun. Not sure it's really slime, but I'd give it a 7 out of 10. So yeah, that's me trying no glue slime. Fun experiment, but I'll stick to real slime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and drop your fave recipe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Let's play slime with you.
Today I'm going to use one slime and turn it into as many different types as possible. Let's see what we can come up with. This is a bowl of Gargone slime base. I made it just for this video. I divided the mixture in half. The texture is like diluted clear glue, a bit sticky and cloudy. I used this leftover pink dye and the slime started forming. After some mixing, it became a nice, jiggly water slime. It won't stretch much, but that's normal for water slime. I dyed the other half blue and mixed it well. The texture is exactly like water slime, not stretchy, but perfect for ASMR. Mixing the color with your hands feels like squishing water, quite satisfying. I layered both into a container to create the center turned a bright neon purple as I imagined. The slime is watery, like I'm controlling liquid, but it doesn't drip or spill. It feels cool and flowy in my hands. Very fun to play with. It doesn't reattach right after stretching. You have to let it sit. It was fun to play, even though it felt more like a popped Orbeez than real slime. Next up, I used a chunk of the original clear slime and added more clear glue because I wanted it to be stretchier. Then I added some purple clay to add color and thicken the texture. It wasn't sticky anymore and started to smooth out. At first, I wanted a slightly stretchier slime, so I added more glue, but went overboard. After some kneading and a bit more activator, it started to come together nicely. I added pre-soaked instant snow to make it into an icy slime. But after some more kneading, the slime softened and came together nicely. I swirled it into a container for a pretty presentation. The purple reminded me of a Sanrio character, so I added some colorful sprinkle toppings. Then I decorated it with... The charm didn't stand out that much, but I was still really happy with the result. If I had bought it, I might not have been too impressed, but considering it came from just a small slime portion, it turned out great. If you like it too, let me know in the comments. Next, I added dry plastic snow first. This time, I colored the slime before mixing it. I wanted a different texture, so I went with dry snow. The texture was just right, not too runny or too dry. Combining two opposite textures to make a new one was incredibly satisfying. I placed it in a new container and pressed it down evenly. It looked a little empty, so I had an idea. I took a bit of blue slime and mixed it with some basic white slime I had. I added some colorful sprinkle toppings and a cute pink bunny charm. Swirled the two colors together, so satisfying to look at. The texture was light and airy. Probably my favorite slime to make in this video because it was so quick and easy. The swirl was so pretty, and pulling it was super satisfying. It felt so soft and firm, absolutely addictive. I could stretch this slime forever. So from just one clear slime base, I was able to create 3 completely different slimes. Which one was your favorite today? Let me know in the comments. See you soon in the next video.